Hey guys, Giselle here. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's wash day challenge, I'm going to be featuring the Biotera Natural Origin hair care line. Biotera Natural Origin is a professional hair care line, so you will find this in a lot of high-end salons. And the collection is made up of 97% naturally derived ingredients to create honest to goodness, healthy hair. So I received this via Influenster. If you are not familiar with Influenster, it's basically like a social media platform kind of thing for people who like to review products, products of any kind, beauty, healthcare, lifestyle, food, whatever the case is. You basically sign up, you make an account, and you tell them what your interests are, and you basically start reviewing products that you have tried out in the past. And basically one day they'll send you an email like, hey, you're selected for our next Vox Box, which is what they're called. And they'll make you take another survey to, see if this is what interests you. It can be makeup, skincare, whatever, food, whatever it is. And they will send it to you and they'll ask you to do a little review and submit the reviews on their website, on their app. And you get points. And that's basically how Influencer works. So thank you, Influenster, for sending me these products. So yeah, like I said, these products can be found in salons. It says on the bottle, professional salon hair care. So I have heard of this, I have heard of these products before, but I haven't thought to use them in my hair because, they don't really look like they're gonna be, when you see people use them, you don't really think that they're gonna be curly girl friendly. So I was like, okay, let's see how it works out. So yeah, I decided to give these a try. I like the packaging. So the shampoo and conditioner came in this little mini box, which is great for the holidays. Definitely a cute stocking stuffer, so I like that. And then I got a full-size leave-in conditioner. And the ingredients are really good. It says, no sulfates, no parabens, no silicones, things that us curly girls are looking for. The shampoo and conditioner feature goji berry and chia extract, and the leave-in features honey and goji berry. So I thought that was cool. But I got the Restore Strengthening Collection for damaged hair. My hair is not damaged by any means necessary, but I was like, whatever, I'm just gonna use this anyway. So yeah, keep on watching to find out what I thought about these products. Are they curly girl friendly? Are they? Alrighty, so let's try this out. Pretty normal consistency. Smells pretty good. This definitely smells very high-end, like, I'm in a salon and they're using the expensive products on me. This is what this smells like. You can't see if it's clean, but it does feel clean. It does feel pretty clean at my roots, but also it does feel kind of stripped as far as the hair shaft goes. So I hope I can restore the moisture, with the conditioner afterwards. So we're gonna see. I'm gonna shampoo my whole head and then come back for conditioner. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna go in with the Restore Strengthening Conditioner. Nice consistency, kind of thick, kind of not. So you don't see. I'm going to apply this and leave it in while I wash the rest of my body. Again, it smells luxurious. Okay, it feels nice and saturated. It feels like it's absorbing into my hair, so that's good. Alright, so I'm gonna apply the conditioner to the rest of my hair, and then I'm going to do what I do in the shower, and then I'm gonna come back and we're gonna see how it detangles, because that is what is important, okay? Alright, so I've let the conditioner sit for about, about 7, 8 minutes, I don't know, whatever. So I'm going to not rinse it out, I'm just gonna wet my hair with some warm water and see how this thing detangles. So just off, first rip, it feels very soft. I'm pretty much running my fingers through it, so that's good. So first I'm gonna finger detangle as much as I can and then go in with my denim brush. So this feels really good. It has good slip. It detangled really well. So I think that's good. Like it's just, I'm just running my fingers through it. So that's awesome. So I'm gonna go ahead and work the rest of the sections of my hair and come back when I'm done. Alrighty, so conditioner is out. Detangling was a breeze. It made it so soft, super easy to detangle. I think I detangled fairly quickly, so that's good. I didn't have that much hair coming out on the brush, so that's also good. So yeah, I enjoyed the conditioner. It made my hair really soft. It made it really easy to detangle. It feels pretty moisturized and it smelled luxurious. Y'all, I never knew washing my hair would be so dangerous. Like I randomly cut myself. I had to put a band-aid on. Like I'm bleeding. And then I like nicked myself in the neck. What? Alrighty, so now we're gonna go in with the Natural Biotera Renew Leave-In Silky Milk, so a leave-in conditioner, and this says it's with honey and goji berry, so that's exciting. I'm gonna spray it on my hand first just to get a feel for the consistency. Again, it smells luxurious. Like this is definitely, I mean, it says professional salon hair care, so this is exactly what this smells like. But yeah, it's like a cream that you spray out. So I'm going to go ahead and do that and see how it feels on. Actually, what I'm gonna do first is I'm going to mix it with my styling product that I wanna use to see if it mixes well. Success. When it's clear, you're in the clear. I mean, it feels really nice on the hair. You know, feels good, smells good. Feels soft. So I'm just gonna go in and finish the rest of my hair using this leave-in conditioner and my styling product of choice. Like I said before, it's not an official wash day challenge because I don't have a styling product from this line, this company, but I just wanted to try out the products that were sent to me, so here they are. So yeah guys, that is it. That is my final initial first thoughts on these products. I was very pleasantly surprised. These are curly girl friendly. I really enjoyed the conditioner out of all of them. Out of all three, I think I enjoyed the conditioner the most. It just had really good slip, detangled my hair really easily, left it soft. The leave-in conditioner is also really nice. It's very lightweight, so I feel like I couldn't like overuse anything. If you can tell, I don't think you can. No, the bottle is kind of, it's not as opaque, but I used about this much, so I only used up to here. So that's really good. These are definitely like travel friendly, especially these mini sizes, so I'm definitely going to be taking these with me because I am traveling soon. So yeah, I think overall I like this collection. I know it's not a full wash day challenge because usually I use styling products too, but I didn't receive any. But from what I did receive, I really liked it. I am pleasantly surprised, you know, that these professional salon hair care products are actually curly girl friendly. I was just not expecting that. So yeah, I think that is all I had to say about these products. I will link below where you can find them and just more information, and I will put pricing down below as well because I don't know how much these cost, but I'm sure it's a pretty penny. So I'll just leave it at that. So yeah, thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.